Hello and welcome back to another DIY. Today we're taking this old vase that I used to have and I am going to make it into this beautiful display in my lounge room. It used to be very dark and dated, and let me show you what I did to make it look like this. Let's jump right in. So first I'm just going to give it a quick clean. Remember, I'm not going to sand it or anything because I don't care about the durability. I'm using the same paints that I usually use left over from my other projects, which is the Deluxe and the Fidelity. This project cost me nothing because I used all the stuff that I already had in my house. It took me less than 5 minutes and I'm quite happy with the result. Look at that. Even if you walked into my house, you wouldn't even know that that was something I had, and it didn't even cost me anything. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Please feel free to comment in the description below for any further questions, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See ya.